Hi everybody, welcome back to another lesson in my level 3 beginner piano course. In this video we're going to learn Gurlitt's Allegretto from opus 82 number 47. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and if you like what you see, give this video a thumbs up. Also, I offer online piano lessons. If you're looking for one, there's going to be information below. As you could hear in the performance at the start of the video, this piece is all about broken chords, but a very special way of playing broken chords where one hand starts and the other one continues, and there shouldn't be any noticeable break between the two hands. So the two hands form one beautiful broken chord, and it should be seamless how it transitions from the left hand to the right hand. We are in the key of D major because this chapter is all about the key of D major, so we have two sharps, F sharp and C sharp, and we are in 2/4 time, so 2 quarter note or crotchet beats in every bar. At the start we see Allegretto, which just means fairly fast but not too fast, and the note values, as you can see, are all triplets. So we're going to play 3 eighth note or quaver triplets in every beat. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And we should feel this pulse, which is 1, 2, and 3 notes for each of these beats. Now, first of all, let's block out the chords. It's always the best thing to do before adding any broken chord pattern. So we're going to start left hand in this D major position, and right hand is going to copy that. So D, F sharp, A, D, F sharp, A, 1, 2. Now everything stays the same, but the top note is going to move to an A sharp. Right hand copies. Then we go on, everything stays the same, and the thumb moves up to the B. And then we're going to move on to our E minor chord, which is E, G, B, another one. And in bar 6, we're going to sharpen the B, which looks like a C major chord, but it's actually a B sharp. And then we're going to add the C sharp with the thumb, which is going to be an A major 7 chord, and then F sharp minor, F sharp, A, C sharp, right hand still copies, and then the same again. And then we move on to an inverted D major chord, F sharp, A, D. Then we move on to a G major chord, G, B, D, and finally G sharp, D, E, but the right hand is going to play B, D, E, so slightly different in the right hand, and finally an A major chord, A, C sharp, E, before moving back to D major, and right hand F sharp, A, D, an inversion, and left hand finishes on the D. So I would advise always to play the broken chords as a blocked chord, so you know the position, you know where the finger should be, you know what chord you're looking for, and it really settles you into the fingerings. Now once you kind of memorize the chords and the progression from one to the next, we can start adding in our beautiful pattern. So left hand is going to start 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We've got 2 beats but 3 notes for each beat, so you can count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And the important thing is when you get to the last note, don't release it until you press down the right hand first note. So you're giving the melody from the left hand to the right hand. And needless to say, it should all be played legato, so completely connected. Now, we're talking about broken chords, so we need a rounded hand shape as always, and making sure that the notes are not sticky. So we don't want to play the broken chord like this, holding down the notes. We need to release the previous note as soon as we press down the next note. So a very clean legato. And once we got through the entire piece very slowly but very legato, we can increase the speed a little bit and add some wavy motion into the hand. So So it's almost like waves going like a sine wave from left to right, and that's how the broken chords kind of migrate from the left hand to the right hand. And doing this waviness shouldn't feel forced, it should feel natural, and it should make your playing easier and make it more enjoyable, and of course it's going to add to the artistic effect of the overall sound. Now once you get to the end of it and you know it quite well, up to speed, then the choice is yours whether you want to play it without any pedal, then you have to make sure the legato is perfect all the way through, or you can add pedaling, in which case you're going to pedal every bar to make sure the harmonies don't get all kind of muddled up. So once per bar pedaling, but before you start pedaling, please make sure you can actually play it legato and very cleanly. So don't use the pedal to mask your mistakes or lack of legato or lack of clean articulation. Learn the piece completely, and if it's all good, you can add some pedal if you like that effect. So let's play through from beginning to end a little bit slower and just really working on this waviness. D major, A sharp, B natural, E minor, B sharp, C sharp, F sharp, F sharp, D major, G major, E7, A major, D major, and finishing. So we don't see any slurs, but it tells you at the very start that it should be played legato. And of course, the most important thing is to keep it perfectly even from start to end. Don't speed up, don't slow down. Make sure you don't have any hesitations between the bars or in between the two hands like this. Because then that's not even. No gaps anywhere in between the bars or in between the groups of the right and left hand. I hope you enjoy this little study by Gurlitt, and as I said, if you wish, you can add some pedal.